she's obsessed with this. Obsessed with that spoon.
Wow. I wonder what this song is about. Katy Perry wants to
For 3
like
hours,
color
she's been trying to knock that spoon out of that bowl.
It's definitely
She's
very
succeeded.
We
They
get
keep
it,
putting
Katy
it back,
Perry.
but she keeps messing with
Character
it. She even took a nap.
Emphasis on the whole.
And here she is doing it again.
Think about how hot you are with your dating dudes at bikini top, and now that you've aroused men with your behavior, you'll want to see their dick. I know this shit is supposed to be empowering women. I've taken for years being treated as objects, and now there's this role reversal. But you just come off looking like the sluttiest of sluts. That's just how society works. Don't blame me. I don't make the rules. I just negatively reinforce them. And finally, the shittiest song of the year, YG, Toot It and Boot It.